More and more women are discovering the joys of solo travel. It's an incredible way to experience the world on your own terms. Imagine the freedom to go where you want, when you want, without having to compromise. Solo female travel is about embracing independence and adventure. It's about pushing your boundaries, stepping outside your comfort zone, and discovering your own strength. It's about coming home with a newfound sense of confidence and a fresh perspective on life. The rewards of solo travel are immense. You'll meet new people from all walks of life, learn about different cultures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Most importantly, you'll learn so much about yourself. So, if you've been dreaming of exploring the world on your own, don't wait any longer. Take the leap and experience the magic of solo female travel. Many women have found their solo trips to be life-changing experiences. They return home with incredible stories of personal growth and empowerment.
Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a young woman who quit her corporate job to travel the world solo. Through her travels across Southeast Asia, she discovered a passion for photography and now runs a successful travel blog.
Then there's Maria, a retiree who decided to hike the Camino de Santiago in Spain by herself. Despite having no prior hiking experience, she completed the 500-mile journey, proving that age is just a number.
These stories and countless others highlight the transformative power of solo female travel. It's a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and empowerment that leaves a lasting impact. Choosing where to go on your first solo adventure can be exciting, but also a little daunting. Fortunately, there are many destinations around the world that are perfect for solo female travelers. For those seeking cultural immersion and breathtaking landscapes, Southeast Asia is a fantastic choice. Thailand, Vietnam, and Bali offer delicious food, friendly locals, and affordable travel options. If you're drawn to history and art, Europe is an excellent option. Consider Italy for its rich culture, delicious cuisine, and iconic landmarks. Ireland, with its welcoming pubs and stunning scenery, is another great choice for solo travelers. For nature enthusiasts, Costa Rica is a must-visit. This beautiful country boasts lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and incredible wildlife. It's also known for its safety and eco-tourism initiatives.
Section 4. Staying safe on your solo journey. While solo female travel is incredibly rewarding, it's essential to prioritize safety. By taking a few precautions, you can minimize risks and travel with confidence.
Firstly, research your destination thoroughly before you go. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and any potential safety concerns.
Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member back home and keep them updated on your plans. When choosing accommodation, opt for reputable hotels or guest houses with good security measures.
Be mindful of your surroundings, especially at night, and avoid walking alone in poorly lit areas. Trust your instincts. If a situation or person makes you feel uncomfortable, remove yourself immediately. It's always better to err on the side of caution.
Section 5. Packing light. Traveling far. Essential tips. Packing efficiently is crucial for any traveler, especially when you're carrying everything yourself. Here are some tips for packing light without compromising on essentials.
Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutral colors like black, white, and beige are always a good choice.
Pack lightweight and quick-drying fabrics that won't take up much space in your luggage. Toiletries can add unnecessary weight to your bag. Purchase travel-sized versions of your essential toiletries, or consider using solid toiletries like shampoo bars and conditioner bars.
Invest in a good quality backpack that is comfortable to carry, even when fully packed. Consider a backpack with multiple compartments to help you stay organized. Section 6. Finding your tribe online communities for solo female travelers. One of the best things about solo female travel is the incredible community of women who share a passion for adventure and independence. There are numerous online communities where you can connect with like-minded women, share travel tips, and find inspiration for your next trip. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great places to find travel communities. Search for hashtags like #SoloFemaleTraveler, #GirlsWhoTravel, or #ShiesNotLost to discover inspiring accounts and connect with other women who love to explore. Online forums and websites dedicated to solo female travel are also valuable resources. These platforms offer forums for asking questions, sharing advice, and finding travel buddies. Joining these communities can enhance your solo travel experience, providing a sense of belonging and support while you're on the road. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. For a complete packing list and links to the resources mentioned in this video, check out the description below.